Estate planning for pets. So who doesn't want to leave their furry loved family members with something in case those furry members of the family survive us? So everyone thinks it's a great idea that your pets are taken care of, right? So what can you do legally to make sure your pet's taken care of after you die, should your pet survive you? Well, you can't leave your pet money directly, unfortunately. That's not allowed under the law. However, you can make sure that whoever is agreeing to take care of your pet after you pass away, that they are provided with money to take care of your pet. And you know, the options here just really range from something very simple, like an informal verbal arrangement with somebody who is agreeing to take care of your pet for you after you pass away, to coming up with a complex trust an attorney can draft for you. You can actually have a pet trust where a caretaker is assigned for your pets. They're given certain assets out of your estate in order to take care of the pets, right? It's a whole agreement that governs what's going to happen to your pets after you die. Lots of people who really love their pets like to come to our office and put together pet trusts. Another option is looking into organizations who are dedicated to just taking care of animals after their owners pass away. There are organizations out there that exist like this who will take your pets after you die. One thing to remember though, if you're silent about this, meaning you don't have an agreement with someone you know, you don't even have somebody listed in your will who's going to take care of your pets, a couple of things could happen. So one, your pets, under the eyes of the law in Florida, they are viewed as property. So when you say you do have a will and the will talks about what happens to your other personal property, you know, things like furniture, paintings, cars, things that you own when you pass away. Well, your pets are actually going to fall under that same clause. So if you have someone who you named who's going to be getting all that stuff, well, they will also inherit your pet. So that's something to think about. And the person themselves, of course, is going to have to decide whether they want that responsibility or not, or what they are going to do with your pet. So because of that, I do like to tell my clients, if they're considering leaving their pet to someone, or it's on their mind, or just in case something happens to them and their pet is still alive, it is good to at least have some kind of an arrangement. As weird as it may sound to have to put something like that in writing, it's better to have it ironed out so that you have it taken care of versus just kind of leaving it up to chance, because then we don't really know where our pets are going to end up after we're gone. I hope this helps.